So I was just adjusting my crotch a second ago and I realized my balls were stuck to my legs. Probably because all these girls are all on my junk 24/7. Gets a little warm and moisturized down there.
Oh, you're the manliest man ever.
Yeah, I got my rifle in my back pocket. There's red meat on this table, gotta eat it raw.
You look really good here.
Just my
I'm not
cock.
gonna...
Yeah.
If only this was a picture.
Yeah, girl, you want this shit. Yeah. I hate babies for a living. I also beat my women.
True.
Basically what makes a real man. I'm growing a mustache right now, and I think the transformation will be complete. I used to be Jeffrey Star. You hear that, girls? How long does this video run?
Oh, can I stop it?